Should you use Advantage plus detailed targeting? Here is how to know the right answer for you. So I'm at the ad set level of my campaign here, and I'm going to scroll down until I get to Advantage plus audience, which we talked about in another video. I'm going to go to switch to original audience because that is how I get all of my major options back. And then Advantage detailed targeting is down here. So let's talk about what that is. What this is that once you go in to edit the targeting, if I were to put, let's say, business owners, because I'm trying to sell something to business owners, and then I say small business owners behavior, not employers, right? But behaviors, then what does this mean? This means to treat whatever I put in this area as a suggestion rather than a rule. So for instance, if I wanted to run to small business owners only, do not show to anyone outside of all of the things that I set here. So let's say that I set age to 23 and then the max age to 60. And then I've got this set to the United States. And then let's say I go gender men. If I have this off, that means that this ad will only show to United States 23 to 60 men that are business owners. When you click this, that says, hey, I would suggest that you show to this demographic, but you can show to whoever you want, Facebook. So as you can imagine, in most cases, this is not good to turn on because if you're actually trying to run a test, then you're trying to run a test and know that it was 23 to 6-year-old men in the US that are small business owners that did or did not respond to your ad. And when you have this on, you don't know who it's going to show to. Sometimes it will even show outside of the United States because you say, hey, just treat all of this like a suggestion. So that is what it does exactly. And the only times that I will keep it on, because let's explain this scenario. This right here, like if I had this at all, I had this at 18, this was at 65, and then let's not worry about the country. This and this are the exact same thing, okay? Because I've already changed it to max age range and gender and everything. So this and this would be the exact same thing. And open targeting is typically how I recommend you guys do your targeting. So putting nothing here anyways. So if you're doing open targeting, usually this doesn't even mean anything. But the time that I use Advantage plus detailed targeting is if I know I'm targeting a very specific interest that might take a little bit for the algorithm to learn, but then I also don't want it to be completely pigeonholed to what I am running to. So for instance, I am working with a recruiter right now, and he is looking for people that are MRI technicians. Okay, so like right here, MRI technologist. Now, the problem is there's only 12,000 to 14,000 people who have even listed their job as that because not everyone updates their Facebook occupation and not everyone labels it the same thing. They might just be like, I'm an MRI tech, and that doesn't have a targetable job title within the detailed targeting here. So I wouldn't even be able to do it. So this is a good idea because I'm going for a very niche audience, but I know there's way more of them than that in the world. So I would do this. And this would be a way that I can say, hey, Facebook, just so you know, I'm looking for these people. You can show to whoever you want, even if they haven't listed their job title as this, you can still show outside of this. But this is a way to do open targeting while also giving Facebook a little bit more data than if I were to just keep this open. So I actually do love Advantage plus detailed targeting because I'm an open targeting type person. And this is just another way to do open targeting. When it comes down to more so in the past of how you're testing, like if you want to make sure that it does not show outside your age range or outside the gender you specified or outside of the exact interest that you give it, then that is when you want to have this turned off. Otherwise, it's a cool way to still be able to do open targeting and give it a little bit more info. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you in the next video.